Peace be upon you, my friend.
Also, you, what about you?
I am also fine. Why didn't you pick my call yesterday?
I was busy with my online activities.
What's online activities?
I mean, internet activities.
What are the activities of internet?
The activities of internet are daily information, communication, technology, and science.
Would you please explain?
Sure, why not?
Please tell me functions of internet.
Google, Facebook, Instagram, ChatGPT, and so on.
What's Facebook?
Facebook is a social network where you can always keep your friends in touch.
What sort of website do you use most?
I usually use several types of website, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on.
Which one do you use most and why?
I mostly use YouTube for solving my mathematical problems.
Thank you so much, my friend. Hope we will meet soon.
You are welcome. Goodbye.